Remove duplicate files from OneDrive. Introduction. Discover how to efficiently remove duplicate files from your OneDrive using Clone Files Checker. Step 1. Download and install. Download Clone Files Checker from the official website and execute the setup file to install it on your system. Step 2. Launch and select OneDrive. Open Clone Files Checker and navigate to the Cloud Scan tab. Choose OneDrive and click Load Drive. Step 3. Sign in to OneDrive. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and sign in to allow Clone Files Checker access to your OneDrive data. Step 4. Start the scan. Initiate the scan by clicking Start Search. Step 5. Review and remove. After the scan, review the results and select the duplicates you want to remove. Choose whether to delete them or move them to a separate folder. Step 6. Cleanup complete. Congrats! You've successfully removed duplicates from both your OneDrive and computer.